Hello everyone, well it's the 1st of March, so it's time to reveal my vacuum of the month. So if you've been watching my channel, you'll know that February's vacuum of the month was this Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Animal. Now this is only going to be a very short video because I'm not at home and there's no fibre broadband here, so anything above 5 minutes it will take all day to upload. So this is just a quick update video to tell you what March's vacuum of the month will be, and when I get home I'll do a more thorough video telling you what I liked and didn't like about the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball Animal. So let's empty the Dyson Cinetic for one last time. Now one thing is a niggle for me, and every single time I've had to empty this I've had to put my hands in, because these, I don't know what that Dyson call them, but there's some little plastic bars inside the bin. I always seem to get hairs and fibres trapped around them. I think it's mainly at the back. I've always, without exception, had to put my hand in and take the dirt out. Now there's not quite so much dirt for the final emptying, so I might not have to do that. So here is all the dirt. Now I haven't got the dirt from last month to compare, but I have kept it, and when I do a full video we can do a comparison. But of course last month's vacuum cleaner was a rechargeable one, and I would expect a mains powered cleaner to pick up a lot more than a rechargeable machine. So let's just empty the last of the dirt. Right, I did manage to get everything out, but I have to shake it, but it wasn't quite so full. But yeah, it's always in this area here, there, that I've always had to put my hand in. But, you know, as you can see, it's quite dirty. No filter to show you, because obviously this is a filterless machine, but this will need a bit of a clean. I have from time to time during the course of the month taken the bin off and given the shroud a quick clean, but that is fairly clean. It hasn't really got dirty because, as I said, I've always observed the max fill line on this machine, so basically every time I've used it I've emptied it. All in all, I've been pretty happy with the performance of this Dyson Cinetic Big Ball. It's a little bit noisy and it's not the most convenient vacuum cleaner I've used, especially when it comes to using the cleaning tools. The hose is a little bit short, it doesn't reach up a standard flight of stairs, and it's very stretchy. It always wants to pull back into the machine when you're using it, and it's a little bit fiddly. So I don't like that about it, but I will be showing you in more detail the accessories and everything about it. I'll be doing a standalone demo video on this Dyson Cinetic Big Ball, but I can't fault its performance, especially when you see this. This is just genuine dirt for my home. No extra dirt put down. That is what it's picked up. I can't empty it out in this video because I'm in my mum's house and I'm on a new carpet, so I'm not going to spread it out onto the carpet now. But as I said, I'll do an update video next week with a bit more detail about this machine. But you want to see what March's vacuum cleaner of the month is, do you? I'll show you it now. Followers of my social media may have already seen a sneak peek of this vacuum cleaner. Now I do normally do a poll on Facebook allowing you to choose the model or the make that you'd like to see as vacuum of the month, but time constraints mean I've had to choose the vacuum. But next month you will get to choose from a choice of at least 10 different makes and models. But it's my choice this month, and for the month of March I will be using yes, the latest Sebo upright, the X7, the automatic X7 e-Power. I wasn't all that impressed with it when I opened this machine, but I'm going to give it a month in my home and see if I change my mind. Who knows? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to stay tuned for a full in-depth look at the Dyson Cinetic Big Ball. But in the meantime, it's 1st of March. I better start vacuuming with my Sebo X7. If you have any questions or comments, please ask them below, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.